I understand the sun is out there somewhere.
Breaking news.
Yes.
Yes. This is something that we all can appreciate. You know, sometimes we take for granted. Oh, it has been a while, and it is so nice to just take in those sun rays. And, you know, we're also dealing with the mosquitoes, though, so that was good advice from Gary. But we could see a few showers later on today. But still a nice start to the day.
Enjoy it while we can, right?
Enjoy it while you can. Exactly. That is also good advice. Right now, as we look live from our Broward camera, oh, beautiful view. Yes, after some very gloomy and gray days, we'll take it. And again, talking about how today would likely be our driest day, and we would see the return of some sunshine, and indeed kept my promise, and Mother Nature delivered. As we look from our Key West camera, we're seeing some clouds really across the Keys is where we've seen most of the cloud coverage so far today. And although right now most of the area dry, I have to zoom in and show you that we do have a few isolated showers that have popped up earlier in Hialeah, and because of the heating of the day and the sea breeze and a bit of moisture, there could be a few showers, some pop-up thunderstorms. The winds out of the southeast, 14-15 miles an hour. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. So because of all that sunshine that we're seeing today in comparison to the past few days, we are seeing those higher temperatures. 86 in Kendall and warm 85 in Miami, 82 in Fort Lauderdale, low to mid 80s down through the Keys. So in terms of the tropics, watching this area of low pressure in the Western Caribbean that is forecast to move northward into the Gulf of Mexico, it has a 60% chance, a medium potential of becoming a tropical or subtropical cyclone or depression as we head into later this week, into the weekend, as it is going to be moving into the warmer waters of the Gulf of Mexico, and also to encounter a little less wind shear. The environmental conditions appear to be a little bit more favorable for some organization. Now, regardless of whether it becomes a depression or subtropical depression or not, look at what this model is showing us. This is a European model, by the way. Plenty of deep tropical moisture surging from the south and basically just hanging out over us as we head into the weekend. Now, how much rain we see will all depend on the eventual track, which right now there's a lot of uncertainty. If we see this area consolidate a little more to our west, and we won't see as much rain, but for right now, the rainfall totals appear to be very high. In fact, as we take a look at some of the models through the weekend, some areas could see 2 to 4 inches of rain or more than that. And we're also seeing plenty of rain across the northern tier of the country, severe weather possible there. As we look at your extended forecast, though, today we will see the chance for some clouds and spotty showers, tomorrow spotty storms, and then this weekend is looking very wet and unsettled. It's all depending on where that tropical area heads. But yes, for right now, it looks like it could be a very soggy Memorial Day weekend.